Welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you my stationery collection. So these are the artificial flowers that I have and I use them in my YouTube videos. So I have different color in this. You might have seen these in my other videos as well. Apart from these, I have these stones that I also use for my background, YouTube videos background. So I have these stones and I sometimes use pearls also, and I have these golden beads as well. And this is a candle that I have used twice only. So this also you might have seen in my other videos. So this is also used for my background. So this is an orange flavored candle, and here are some artificial flowers again for the background. And I have these tags, so I have these from since last 3 to 4 years. So I might use it in future for putting some price on my products in some exhibition or something. And these stickers that I can use for labeling my stuff. So this is a diary. The cover of this diary have the stickers that I have made on my own. I have uploaded this video on my YouTube channel, you can check that. And I use it for carrying some notes and such stuff. And other than that, I have these flower making material. So these are the crepe papers, pink in color. So you can make really good looking flowers from this. I have the same same thing in yellow color. It's little different, but yeah, it's again the crepe paper. And I have the sticks, and these are the multi-purpose sticks. You can use it for different purpose. And this tape through which I can make the stem of the flower. And this wire, so again this is a multi-purpose wire. I use it for making flowers sometimes. And apart from this, I have this decoupage material. So these are the MDF coasters. You can get them in any stationery, and these are the decoupage sheets. So I have different prints in this. Apart from this, I have this canvas. I have so many of them in all sizes and shapes. Actually, we used to conduct the workshops, so sometimes if we are having the less number of participants, so this is the left out material. And I have so many of them in different size as well. So these are all packed. I have this is like 1/4 of what I have in canvas. And I have these paints. So again this is like 1/3 or 1/4 of the paints that I have, but I have just these like main colors assembled here. And I usually buy these big bottles because I always need them for all my workshops and YouTube videos. So I have these big ones. And apart from this, I have this rope. This comes really handy in terms of making a DIY or some activity. And this scale stencil. So for YouTube videos, I have to be really quick in making the circles and other shapes. So for that, I have recently bought this. And I have this stapler and this wool. So I am planning to make some pom-pom video out of this. And I have this bunch of sketch pens. So again this is almost 1/4 of what I have. I have these watercolor and these sketch pencils from Hallmark. So these also I haven't used yet. These popsicle sticks, so it also can be used in many ways in DIY activities. And I have this bobby print sheet, so I also use this for my background for the videos. And I have these tube colors. I use them for knife painting, acrylic tube colors. So most of them are almost half empty. And these are the colors that I have: blue, yellow, orange, and almost every shade of them. And I have these embroidery threads. I used to take workshops of hand embroidery, so I have used this in that embroidery. So these are the different colors, and these are the small bottle water acrylic colors. So most of them are of no use now because they are almost dry, so we'll try to get rid of them. And this is a 5 drawer organizer, and this one also I have recently ordered from Amazon. And I have kept here all the stuff that I need on a regular basis, so like cutter, stapler, pencils, sharpener, and all such stuff are kept here. I have some rubber bands also. In the second one I have the sheets, the A4 sheets, like the glitter sheets, the printed sheets that I sometimes need for my background, foam sheets and all. So chart paper. Here are all the stuff, DIY stuff that is being used for sticking the paper, like all the tapes, all type of tapes, paper tapes, and the glue. And here also it's like I have these keychains, then this small hammer that I also need, and zigzag scissors for craft. And apart from this I have one single hole punch, so it also is used for sometimes punching your craft paper, the sheet of the bunch of craft paper, so it is used for that. I have a duster and this glue stick. And this is the miscellaneous stuff like the wooden clips, then scale, some earbuds for dot mandala art, threads, and I have this something called balls, threads again, and the golden thread, silver thread. So this is only the part 1 of the stationery tour. Very soon we will be coming with the part 2. Hope you liked it, guys, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.